The length of an arc of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters is one whole number 19 divided by 36 centimeters. Calculate, correct to the nearest degree, the angle extended by the arc at the center of the circle. Take pi as 22 divided by 7. So we have a circle that has a radius of 3.5 centimeters. The question tells us that an arc of the circle subtends an angle at the center of the circle. We don't know the value of that angle. That is what we are going to look for. Now the question says that the length of the arc is one whole number 19 divided by 3 centimeters. So if we assume that the arc is the minor arc AB, then it means that the length of this minor arc AB is one whole number 19 divided by 3 centimeters. We are going to use this information to calculate the angle that the arc subtends at the center, which I've represented with theta. So we are going to use this information to calculate the value of theta. From mensuration, we know that the length of an arc is given by the formula theta divided by 360 degrees times 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle and theta is the angle that the arc subtends at the center of the circle. We have the length of the arc to be one whole number 19 divided by 3 centimeters and the radius to be 3.5 centimeters. So we can substitute it into this formula to get the value of theta. The length of the arc is one whole number 19 divided by 36 and it is equal to theta divided by 360 degrees times 2 times pi. The question says pi is 22 divided by 7. So 22 divided by 7 times the radius r, which is 3.5 centimeters. I'm going to change this mixed fraction here into improper fraction. And when I do that, one whole number 19 divided by 36 will give us 55 divided by 36. And it will be equal to 2 times 22 divided by 7 times 3.5 will give us 22. This gives us 55 divided by 36 is equal to 22 times theta divided by 360 degrees. I'll multiply the left hand side by 36 times 360 degrees and then multiply the right hand side also by 36 times 360 degrees so that I can cancel out the fractions. So 36 and 36 cancels each other out. Then 360 degrees and 360 degrees also cancels each other out. And so this will give us 360 degrees times 55 is equal to 22 theta times 36. 360 degrees times 55 will give us 19800 degrees. And 22 theta times 36 will give us 792 theta. To get theta, I'll divide both sides by 792. So I'll divide the left hand side by 792 and the right hand side also by 792. So 792 and 792 will cancel each other out. 19800 degrees divided by 792 will give us 25. So it means that theta is equal to 25 degrees. So the angle that the arc AB, which has the length one whole number 19 divided by 36 centimeters, will subtend at the center of the circle if the radius of the circle is 3.5 centimeters, is 25 degrees.